right, this is a lesson on the theme from the film Halloween. So this thing is in 5/4. So you have, that's one measure. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and that kind of thing. So it's 9/7/7, 9/7/7, and then 9/7/10/7. I'll give you a 3/4/5 count. 3, 4, 5. Okay, so it's 9/7/7, 9/7/7, 9/7/10/7. And that repeats a whole bunch of times. So let's try that again. I'll give you a 3, 4, 5 count. 3, 4, 5. Okay, so there's 6 times in the intro, and then we're gonna do it 2 more times, but then there's bass or like a chord thing comes in. So you got an F sharp, either an F sharp bass note, 2nd fret, and you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's F sharp and A sharp or B flat, whatever. So you got 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, when that's happening, the first 2 of those, you're going. So the first one, you got that 2, and then we're gonna do this riff up here again for the 5, and then we're taking the riff down 1 for a chromatic down there. So 3, 4, 5 count again. We'll do this twice, and we'll go down 1. So 3, 4, 5. There we go. And then back up. Back down. So once we get in this one, we're going to take that one down. And down again. Up. Down. Okay, so when these lower ones are going, we've moved our chords from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're gonna switch these chords. We're gonna go open E to G power chord to 4th fret, G sharp. Holds the extra bar there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, then our lead melody thing is gonna go down here. So we got 2-0-0, 2-0-0, 2-0, 3-0, and that's 1 set. And we're gonna actually end up doing 9 sets of that in a row. So that's 1 set. So let's do like 4 sets of that together. I'll give you a 3, 4, 5 count. 3, 4, 5. Okay, so you get the picture. Now the chords that are going on there, we have a B power chord here. 3, 4, 5. D power chord, E power chord, F sharp power chord. We do all those again. And then we stop right there and the riff handles one more time. And then it shoots right up to the top. We do 4 of those before the chords come back. So this will be like a review of the whole thing starting right here. So we have this first riff. In the beginning of the song, we do it 6 times, and then we start adding the bass notes and the chords and stuff. So this time we're just gonna do it 4 times. So let's do that together. 3, 4, 5 count. So 3 and 4 and 5 and. keep going. Bass chords. Go down. Back up. Back down. Down again. Down. Up. Down. We got that lower one, 2-0-0, so 3, 4, 5. So 8th one more, and then we're back up top, and this last one, it's that 10 there, and the song is over. So once again, our chord thing, we wait on the chords, and we wait for the 6 times through of that main riff. That's once, right? We wait for the 6 through of those, and then on the 7th one, we come in with 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3. Do it again. 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2. Then we go E power chord, G, G sharp. We do that one twice. And then we have the 4 chord sequence where we got B, D, E, F sharp. Do it again. And then we cut out. And then it goes back to the top. We wait 4 times. So 4 of those, we come in again with all that same chord stuff. You just go through all that twice. Okay, and at the end of the song, it ends with by itself up here with the. All right, Halloween theme, John Carpenter. Happy Halloween, y'all. Hope you dug that. Got a tab with it.